China's geography is uniquely diverse, featuring a staircase descent from high western plateaus, like the Tibetan Plateau, home to Mount Everest, to eastern plains, incorporating towering mountains, vast basins, some desert-filled, deep river valleys, Yangtze Yellow, and unique features like the colorful Zhangye Dangxia landforms, creating varied climates and influencing its rich but sometimes isolated cultural development. Key unique geographic features: three-step topography. Land generally rises from east to west in three distinct levels: the highest Tibetan Plateau, mid-level basins and plateaus, and lower eastern plains and hills, holding most population and agriculture. Extreme altitudes. Home to Mount Everest, world's highest peak, and the world's highest plateau, alongside low-lying areas like the Turpan Depression, one of the world's lowest. Vast deserts includes the Gobi and Taklamakan deserts, acting as natural barriers and creating arid conditions. Major river systems, the Yangtze, Asia's longest, and Yellow rivers flow east, creating fertile plains but also subject to flooding, while also originating major Asian rivers from the Tibetan Plateau. Diverse landscapes, a mix of snow-capped mountains, rolling hills, dense jungles in the south, and unique geological wonders like the Rainbow Mountains, Zhangye Dangxia. Natural barriers and isolation. Mountains, deserts, and the Pacific Ocean historically isolated ancient China, fostering distinct cultural development despite challenging internal travel. Major water systems and coastlines. Yangtze River, Asia's longest and the world's third longest river, 6,300 km. It serves as a vital artery for transportation and industry. Yellow River, known as the Mother River, it is the cradle of Chinese civilization but is notorious for its heavy silt load and historical flooding. Coastline. China has a 14,518,000 kilometer coastline along the Bohai, Yellow, East China, and South China Seas. Native plants and animals of China. China boasts unique flora and fauna, including iconic species like the giant panda and golden snub-nosed monkey, alongside ancient plants such as the dawn redwood and dove tree, with many endemic species like the Chinese alligator and ginseng found nowhere else, highlighting its rich biodiversity and status as a living fossil hotspot. Iconic mammals. Giant panda, China's most famous national treasure, native to the bamboo forests of central China. In 2026, they remain a primary focus of conservation in Sichuan, Shanxi, and Gansu. Red panda. Known for its reddish-brown fur and bushy tail, this mammal is native to the high-altitude forests of southwestern China. Golden snub-nosed monkey. Recognizable by its bright orange fur and unique blue face, it lives in the high-altitude mountain forests. South China tiger. Considered the king of the mountain, this subspecies is native to southern China but is now likely extinct in the wild, surviving only in captivity. Tibetan antelope, Chiru. Found on the high-altitude grasslands of the Tibetan Plateau, known for its fine wool and resilience to harsh climates. Rare aquatic and reptilian species. Chinese giant salamander, the world's largest amphibian, often referred to as a living fossil due to its prehistoric appearance. Chinese alligator, a small freshwater alligator native to the lower Yangtze River basin. It is one of only 2 alligator species in the world, Yangtze finless porpoise. Often called the smiling angel, it is a rare freshwater porpoise found in the Yangtze River and its connected lakes. Chinese white dolphin, also known as the Indo-Pacific humpback dolphin, these dolphins are notable for their pinkish color as they age. Unique birds. Crested ibis. Once on the brink of extinction, this striking white bird with a red face and long crest is now recovering in central China. Red-crowned crane, a symbol of longevity and good luck in Chinese culture, found in the wetlands of northeastern China. Golden pheasant, famed for its brilliant multicolored plumage, this bird is native to the mountainous forests of western China. China is home to one of the world's most diverse floral landscapes, with over 30,000 native plant species. Dawn redwood, Metasequoia glyptostroboides. Known only from fossils until its discovery in central China in the 1940s, this deciduous conifer is one of the world's rarest trees. Ginkgo tree, Ginkgo biloba. A living fossil from the Permian era, it is the only remaining species in its division. Dove tree, Davidia involucrata. famous for its large white bracts that flutter in the wind like wings, earning it the name handkerchief tree or dove tree. Golden larch, Pseudolarix amabilis. One of the world's rare garden trees, it is unique for its coin-shaped leaves that turn bright yellow in autumn.